Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, where I share with you the best tips and tricks to get fit and healthy. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to the 12-week Fat Destroyer Complete Fat Loss Workout and Diet Program. This is a comprehensive program that will guide you through every step of your fat loss journey. You will get a detailed workout plan that will challenge you and help you build muscle and burn fat. You will also get a customized diet plan that will suit your preferences and needs. You will learn how to eat the right amount of calories, carbs, protein, and fat for your body type and goals. You will also learn how to cycle your carbs and calories to optimize your fat loss results. By the end of this program, you will have a new and improved physique that you can be proud of. The 12-week Fat Destroyer program is based on three main principles: high-intensity interval training, HIIT, carb cycling, and calorie cycling. Let me explain how each of these principles works and why they are so effective for fat loss. HIIT is a form of exercise that involves alternating between short bursts of intense activity and longer periods of rest or low-intensity activity. For example, you could sprint for 30 seconds, then walk for 60 seconds, and repeat for 10 to 20 minutes. The key is to push yourself hard during the intense intervals and recover as much as you can during the rest intervals. This way, you can challenge your body and keep your heart rate high throughout the workout. HIIT can help you burn fat and lose weight by boosting your metabolism, improving your insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, and stimulating your fat-burning hormones. Studies have shown that HIIT can increase your metabolic rate for up to 24 hours after the workout, which means you burn more calories and fat even when you are not exercising. HIIT can also improve your cardiovascular health, endurance, and performance. The 12-week Fat Destroyer program will provide you with a variety of HIIT workouts that you can do at home or at the gym with minimal equipment. You will do HIIT workouts 4 times a week, on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Each workout will target different muscle groups and energy systems to keep your body guessing and prevent plateaus. You will also do some low-intensity cardio on Wednesdays and Saturdays to enhance your recovery and burn some extra calories. You will have Sundays off to rest and relax. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos.